Do you love to garden, but you don't want to spend a lot of money on big box store flowers and plants? Well, check these out. These are cuttings. It's all cuttings. Because why spend all that money when you can do it yourself? Think about that. There's a couple of good stories in there. One is you're helping to create what? A process known as photosynthesis, right? You've got sunlight, you've got green leaves, there the process begins. Plus, you get to see all of your hard work literally come to life. You can do it. You can absolutely do it. Go ahead and comment. Let me know what kind of plants you're propagating. Can't wait to hear about it. Thank you. Come back.